Hi guys, if you encounter this issue when setting up the MDM in your mobile phone Android, so I cannot go back or something, even restart will go here stuck in the enrollment in progress. So what we can do is to reset the phone, reset factory default. So this is only the way. So to do that, just restart and hold the power button and volume down. Yes, so it will come here and use the volume up and down to select. So we need to select the recovery mode, this one, then press the button, power button. Okay, it will restart. So as you can see, no command, so you need to again press this power button, hold button, then make it press the volume down, up, volume up, press the volume up, then you will see this one, and you can select wipe data, then press this power button to confirm, and select again, use your power button to select to choose, then power button. It says data complete, then I will choose now to restart again. So you need to wait like 1 minute to load again. Yes, now the phone is successfully preset from default. So you can now again to scan if the MDM is working fine now. Okay, that's it. Thank you.